Hi, my name is Manteshwar Singh. So we are going to give a presentation on business and corporate law today. So we head up to our first question, which is the key concept regarding the duties of the director. So the first part to discuss is the issue. So in this, as we can clearly see that the duty and responsibility of the director responsible in the benefit and interest of the company, he acts with the care and diligence. He is responsible for preventing the company from insolvency. He is more focused on avoiding conflicts. So the next part is rules. So in this, the Corporation Act 2001 has a significant element of the director's duty and responsibility, and it is more clearly revealed in Section 180 and in Section 181. The director has a fiduciary obligation and need to be loyal to the company. So the next part is application. In this, the director of the company has used their power and position for allowing the vendor to provide the product and services to the company for the benefits for their own. The director is also found to have a lack of efficiency in performing their obligations. And the next part is the conclusion. So we can clearly conclude that it is evident that the director of the company have breached their duties and responsibility, and it may cause a negative impact on the company as the company has lost $200,000. So we move up to our next question. So which is civil penalties and criminal liabilities for breaching the director's duty. So we head up to its issue first. So in issue, the civil penalties are applied to the director misusing their power and performing their duty inefficiently. Subsection 1317E provides the civil and criminal liabilities for the breaching director. The director is found to be negligible and has affected the company's operation with negligence and misusing of power. So the next part is the rules. So it's clearly stated that the Corporation Act 2001 section 1317 allows the company to manage the breaching director by applying penalties and the criminal liabilities and ensuring after prevention of damages to the organization. The application of these penalties prevent the further misuse of the power and ensures the proper obligation of the director. This penalty enables us to follow the right path and avoid unnecessary conflicts. So the next part is the application. The director of the company has not followed the duty and obligation of the company, and they are to receive the call of compensation and order of disqualification as their negligence and pursuit of personal interest have affected the company. Civil penalties are to be applied. And the next part is the conclusion. So it is already concluded that it is evident that the director of the company has breached the duty of care and diligence. The director is to be eliminated and disqualified for at least 4 years. They are also responsible for paying the compensation to the company for misusing the power for personal interest. So the next question is the key concept of disqualification of directors and period of disqualification. So the first part in this is the issue. So we head up to the issue. So it is already stated that it has been noted that the two directors of the company are disqualified due to the negligence and misuse of power. It is also required to apply civil penalties as per section 1317, the disqualification for 4 years. And the next part is the rules. It is also stated that according to 1317 section, civil penalties are applied to the director when they fail to manage their duties and responsibility. The criminal offense is applied under section 588G. It incorporates major dishonesty. So we head up to the next part, which is application. In that, the loss of company is evident, and therefore the two directors of the company are to be disqualified for the misuse of its power and information. The disqualification of the director is essential in the circumstances where it could impose civil penalties. The director of the company are to be qualified with penalties. The next part is the conclusion. So it is already concluded that the disqualification of the penalties are important way to manage the loyalty and performance of the director, and the organization needs to suspend the director for 4 years. Compensation is to be improved on them. Thank you.